These are the elevators at the Westshore Corporate Center parking garage in Tampa, Florida. Shockingly, they're still original Montgomery Vectors. We're gonna go to 6. This is the first one of these I've ever ridden. Here we are at 6, at the top of the garage. We're gonna get a cab view over here, up on 6. So, pretty nice elevators. It does bump a little bit going up. Not the smoothest ride, but that's okay. These definitely feel like 80s elevators, like just pushing that button. But, yeah, nice. Surprised that these are still original. Expiration date August 2025. Let's watch the button go out. Oops. We're gonna go back. Actually, we're gonna send that up to 6 and we're gonna ride the other one. You can hear the motor. Let's go to 6. Here we are at 6. We're gonna go back down to 1. Here's your emergency phone. This is Omni Parking Garage. This might be because I'm guessing the hotel used to be an Omni hotel. There's a hotel that's right next to this office building that actually I think the hotel itself also uses like for valet, but it's now a Holiday Inn. This is elevator G5. This bank is elevators G5 and G6. We're gonna end it up at 2. So, same thing, expiration 2025. These are hydraulic, I think. At least I'm pretty sure they're hydraulic. That's what the certificate says. And actually, considering that, if these are indeed hydraulic, they're pretty fast. Also, notice how the down button is missing. I guess you can still push that, but a bit annoying. That'll be it.